Transform your raw ideas into high-converting landing pages that drive results, all without touching a single line of code with System.io. Digital marketers, today we're diving deep into publishing your effective landing page on System.io, covering every crucial step from design to deployment, so you can start capturing leads and boosting conversions immediately. First, log into your System.io account from your dashboard. Locate and click on the Funnels option in the left-hand menu. This is where all your landing pages and sales funnels live. Within your funnels, select the specific landing page you've designed now. Click the Edit Page button. This will take you into System.io's intuitive drag-and-drop editor where you can make any last-minute tweaks to your design. Here, you can adjust text, swap images, reposition elements, or even add new components to perfect your message and call to action. Ensure your headlines are compelling, your copy is clear, and your form is easily accessible for lead capture. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's vital to hit the Save button. Always save your progress before proceeding to the publishing stage to avoid losing any changes. Now, let's get this page live. Navigate back to your funnel overview. You'll see a clear option to publish your funnel, or sometimes labeled as Share Funnel Entries. Click this button. System.io automatically generates a unique URL for your landing page. You can directly copy this URL to share it across your social media, in email campaigns, or anywhere you want to drive traffic. Copy this link and paste it into your web browser to test it out. Confirm that your landing page loads flawlessly and all elements are functioning as intended, especially your lead capture form. Congratulations! Your System.io landing page is now published and ready to start collecting leads and driving conversions for your business.